shopping for today! Hi! Say hi! We're gonna go grocery shopping. Okay, you hold on tight, ah. Hold on tight. Watermelon? Okay, so what we usually get during groceries? And some sunrocks. Okay, here's our grocery list for the day. Meron pa ba tayo maano? Parang hindi yung panghugas nga po ng pinggan. Aliko. Aliko. You want sama? We're gonna get sip. Kasi ito, si Ocean ngayon, $2.99 lang. Let's go! Come on! Ay nako, kumapit kang ma-eager girl. Kulit mo. So, kukuwalak tayo ng napkin. I'm actually using this one, Sophie. 159 lang siya. Okay. Oh, di ba ma, ito na lang. Naka-buy one take one pa siya ngayon. Eh, kaysa yung itong Scotch Brite. No, kulit nyo. Doon muna tayo sa food, sa dulo. Oh, let's go to the frozen section first.
Look at me. I'm riding.
Oh no, there's...
Doesn't think I need to go down. I'm getting trapped.
Okay, so we're getting, of course, pang adobo cut. Busog kayo dyan kasi dirty. Yeah, the wings. Gonna also get some legs. Oo guys, puro manok yung kinakain namin para mura. And a little bit healthier. Siyempre, quarter. Okay, then let's also get some pork. Usually get here pang sigang. Pork sinigang cut. Okay. So, dito guys, parang meron mas mahal yung nakaganito, yung SNR club pricing. So, medyo mas mura-mura yung naka-members value. You see, it's like parehong yempo, but this is $3.74. Okay. Let's see how about the beef. Oh no, this is not beef. This is pork. Ito, I think tama na yan for the week. Dami kasi kami ngayon sa bahay. Mga kids with their cousins. So let's check guys kung makahiri tayo ng mura-murang beef. Shanghai steak. So good. 100. Actually, Gab and Set like yung mga thin sliced beef. So let's find some. So, di ba guys, ang mahal ng karne. Okay. Food for life. These are like staple grocery item. Baka naman Yakult. Kaya na ba Yakult? It's 48.50 here. Oh, parang it's a little bit cheaper here. Kaysa sa Walmart. And then, we're gonna also buy some bread for merienda. So this one I'm buying 74 pesos lang siya. Let's check the package date. Pack date, June 7. Anong date na ba? Ayan. Is this the latest? Yeah, latest naman June 7. So, yeah, for mga ganyan items, check the pack date lagi. Let's see some promos. So, buy one, take one yung mga muffins nila. I'm thinking of buying one para merienda ng kids. But, ano tayo mga flavor? What's that sweet taste you got?
Chocolate biscuit. There's chocolate inside. There's chocolate inside.
What's that ba? Where did you get that? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
How's it
yeah.
taste? Let me see you tasting it. You like it?
I have a judgment melon.
Yan, tirador ng mga free taste. Si Sam. Hot pa yata eh. Muffins food. Merienda mamaya ng kids. Gawa ka dali. Ano mo?
The original?
No. Let's go for cheese dog. Ako na, di mo pala abot. Okay. It's so cold. No, tsaka dirty. Later na, you help me with other. Siyempre, hotdog. Giniling ni Mama. Dito yata yun, Ma. Okay, so Oreo. Kids like Oreos. Oreo. What you?
Stay here.
Okay, you stay there. Ay, ayan ba? Ayan naman, oo. Kuya, pagbigyan mo na sila ulit. Thank you. Sabi mo, they bought one naman daw. O, tama na yan. Nakakahiya kayo kay Kuya. Thank you. Ayan. Chicken. And for today, yan muna ang ating buy. Actually, sa listahan natin, ang daming wala. Kaya lang, wala dito sa SNR. Sammy, don't go in front of the cart. Tanan. Konti lang guys ng grocery, pero the price, that's what you call inflationary. Diba? Actually, nagpamahal pala. Nagpabili si sir ng kanyang alak. So, baka dahil stress siya. Yeah, that's our grocery loot for the day. Oh, no. Just for the entire week na yan. Shami! What do you ice cream you buy?
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy?
Hello.
Ayoko po ma? Thank you po. Naku, na maingit na naman yung baboy dun sa bahay. Gusto niyo. Okay guys, nag-sign up tayo sa free pizza. Nag-sign up lang naman for credit card application para makakuha tayo ng free pizza. So we're getting pepperoni. Diba? Sayang din yun, merienda ng kids. Thanks, ate. So legit yung papizza ni ate. Ayan. Yeah. Hello, Sam! Her favorite, playing place. Hi! Feeling niya dito, guys, playground to. Na pupunta siya dyan every time. Sige, kapag 3,000 na lang yan, bibili natin yan. Yan kasi. 2 minutes lang, ah.
Okay. Hello? Hello, Gigi.
What do you do there, ba? What you cook? What are you cooking?
And chicken.
Can I order bacon?
Okay.
Oh, galing ah. Let me see. How do you eat? Oh no, there's something in your mouth.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Meow.
Oh, dirty Jack. Yeah, you have ba. You have dirty ba.